Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a really quick 4 products that will take you from this to this. Today we're going to talk about 4 products that will just take your makeup look up a notch. It's a great everyday look that you can pull off, and I hope you'll stay tuned to see how easy it is. Today I already have on my basics. I have on my color correcting tinted moisturizer, I have on my mascara, I have a little bit of under eye concealer. So if you don't have those yet, we need to talk about that. But these are just 4 cosmetic products that I use regularly that will just kind of help take your look up just a little bit of a notch. So the first thing that we're going to use is we're going to use ShadowSense. And ShadowSense is our cream to powder eyeshadow, and a color that I think everyone should have in their makeup bag is Mocha Java Shimmer. So Mocha Java Shimmer is a kind of light brown shimmer, and it's really great. You can kind of use it as a one and done shadow look. So with Mocha Java Shimmer ShadowSense, you can basically just use this if you want a really simple eye look, just to look like you're wearing a pop of makeup without a lot of trouble. I feel like everyone has or had a shade like this in their eyeshadow palette at one time or another. So ShadowSense comes in a tube, and then it comes with a wand, and you can actually use the wand as your applicator. You don't have to have a lot of fancy tools. You can use a brush to blend it out if you want, and I'll show you how I do that, but really you could just use the wand and your finger if you want a really quick look. So you're just gonna take the wand and apply it to your lid. You want to do kind of a thin layer, and then just let that hang out there for a second. And then you can use your finger to kind of pat out the edges if you want, or I'm just going to use kind of a basic eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to take it up and just kind of blend that edge so it's not quite a harsh transition. And then you just have a really pretty eye look, and you used just one eyeshadow, which I love. Sometimes we buy those shadows that have a bajillion colors in the palette, and there's that one color that you love that you use all the time. I really appreciate that with SeneGence you can just buy that one color and you don't have to waste other things by getting a whole palette. So we're gonna do that with the next eye too. Just gonna use my wand and apply it all over my lid. Let it hang out there for just a second to get settled. And then I'll just use my fluffy brush to just kind of blend out the edge. But this is a really quick eyeshadow. I love that it just adds a little bit to your face, but it doesn't add anything dramatic. The second thing I'm going to use that I use most days is our Silver Rose powder. Silver Rose powder is an amazing, beautiful powder. It comes in a tube like this, so you can actually throw it in your purse on the go or just dispense it from the brush as is. I have actually transferred it to a little powder container, and I just kind of prefer to use it that way. It's just my preference. But then I just use an angled fluffy brush, take a little bit of the powder, I dab it there, and then I just hit my cheeks with it. Take care of some kids, but I just take the brush and just kind of work it on my cheek, and it gives just a really nice kind of bronzy glow without a lot of effort. It makes you look a little bit sun-kissed even in the depths of winter, and it's just one of my favorite products. So it just brightens your face up a little bit, and you just have to use a tiny bit. I've had this one for a really long time. It goes a really long way. So last we're gonna apply some LipSense, and this is Caramel Apple LipSense. This is a great gateway color of LipSense for just about anyone to get started. If you're scared of wearing lip color, this is a really good one to start with because it gives you a little bit, but it's not screaming, holy cow, that lady's wearing a lot of lip color. So before you apply it, you wanna make sure the lid is on and just shake it up. There's a ball in there to shake it up. Take the wand out and just wipe a little bit of that excess off on the lip of the bottle. And then you're just gonna apply it in 3 thin layers, going in one direction, give a little bit of dry time between each layer, and then we'll top it with our gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up so you don't have to sit and watch my layers dry, and then we'll come back and just kind of talk about the finished look. So I went ahead and added Pearl Gloss to the top of my caramel apple. This is one of my favorite glosses because it just adds a really pretty milky sheen, but it's still really moisturizing to your lips. So once I'm done with that, I'm done. My lips stay in put, everything will stay put for the whole day, and you're good to go. And it just kind of takes your face up a little bit. So those are 4 of my favorite products. Let me know if you have any questions. And of course, if you want to order, you can just head to my website.